Today we are building a powerful gaming PC that's made for serious gamers, creators and anyone who wants a top tier performance without any compromise. Here's everything going into today's setup. Powering this build is Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 265K processor. We are pairing it with the Gigabyte 860 Eagle Wi-Fi 6E motherboard. For memory, we have got a 32GB of Acer Predator DDR5 RGB 6000 MHz. For storage, 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and everything fits beautifully inside the NZXT H7 Elite RGB case. Keeping everything cool is the Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML360L ARGB V2 liquid cooler. Power comes from a reliable Antec 750W 80+ gold power supply. And now for the star of today's build, the nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 with 12GB of VRAM. Take a look at this build. And that's the complete PC build.